Imagine staring up at the red wastelands of Mars, a planet that should be nothing more than rock, dust and silence. But what if I told you hidden among NASA's own photographs are images so bizarre, so unsettling, that they raise the questions, are we really alone out there? Tonight we're diving into 5 creepy things actually found on Mars. And yes, all of them were captured in real images straight from space missions. Some can be explained, others remain an eerie mystery. Number 1. The Martian face. It all began in 1976. NASA's Viking 1 orbiter snapped an image of a mesa in the Cydonian region. At first glance, it looked like nothing unusual. But then, when the photo was adjusted for lighting, something terrifying appeared. A massive stone face staring up into the sky. Newspapers worldwide erupted. Headlines screamed about alien civilizations, lost temples, even ancient gods watching over Mars. The so-called face on Mars became one of the most famous mysteries of all time. NASA later claimed it was nothing but a trick of light and shadow. Later, high-resolution images did show it was just a hill with ridges. But here's the chilling part. Even with new data, the face-like structure is still disturbingly symmetrical, leading some scientists and conspiracy theorists to believe maybe it isn't just a coincidence after all. Number 2. The Martian duck. Fast forward to Curiosity rover. As it roamed across Gale Crater, one of the rocks had the unmistakable outline of a duck. The outline of the head, body, even the snout. Now, skeptics call this pareidolia, the human brain's tendency to find familiar patterns in random shapes, like seeing faces in clouds. But others argue, what are the odds? Out of billions of rocks, why do so many on Mars resemble Earth animals and structures? Coincidence or evidence of something more? Number 3. The Dark Lady of Mars. In 2007, the Spirit rover captured one of the most chilling images ever taken on Mars. A small humanoid-looking figure perched on a rock, almost as if crouching, watching. Nicknamed the Dark Lady of Mars, the shape looked eerily like a woman in a robe, staring across the Martian desert. NASA insists it's just a trick of perspective. A small rock, probably only a few inches tall, casting a strange shadow. But when you see the photo, the resemblance is haunting. To this day, many argue it's proof of an intelligent presence on the planet. Something NASA has never officially addressed beyond dismissing it. Number 4. The Skull Rock. In 2015, Curiosity's camera caught something that stopped viewers cold. Half buried in Martian dust lay a smooth, rounded object. 2 deep holes carved into its surface like empty eye sockets. A dark shadow where a nose should have been. It looked like a skull, not just vaguely similar, but disturbingly human. The kind of sight that makes your stomach twist because your brain instantly recognizes what you're seeing, even if it shouldn't exist there. NASA dismissed it immediately, saying it was just a coincidence, nothing more than a rock shaped by erosion. But the illusion was too perfect, too familiar, and darker theories began to spread. What if it wasn't human at all? What if it belonged to something alien? A creature that lived and died on Mars long before humans walked the Earth. Number 5. The Doorway. This one shook the world. In May 2022, Curiosity snapped an image of a cliffside in the Gale Crater, and carved into the rock was what looked unmistakably like a doorway. It wasn't rough or jagged, it was rectangular. Its lines were sharp and clean, like they had been cut by tools, and the shadow that fell inside looked bottomless, like a black void inviting you in. NASA rushed to explain it away. They called it nothing more than a fracture, a split caused by natural stresses in the rock. But the photo told a different story. Speculation ran wild. Could it open into a cavern, a tunnel, or a hidden network beneath the Martian surface where life, or something worse, could exist? From ghostly figures and glowing lights, to strange structures and faces carved into stone, Mars has never been as silent as we think. Skeptics may dismiss these as optical illusions, but the real images tell their own story. And with every new mission to the Red Planet, we discover just how strange and how creepy Mars can really be. So tell me, which of these Martian mysteries gave you the biggest chill? And what do you believe? Illusions or evidence? Because maybe, just maybe, we aren't the only ones watching.